Welcome to day 2 of split workout plan. Today we are going to do back and biceps. For day 1 we have already covered chest and triceps. You can find its link in the description below or I button above. Let's get started with day 2. First exercise we are going to do here is lower back curls. Lie down flat with your arms behind or by your side. Slowly raise your chest upward and hold for a second. Once you have reached the furthest point, slowly lower yourself back down. Do 10 to 15 reps of this. Reverse fly. Hold bottles or light dumbbells in each hand. Keeping a slight bend in the elbow, lift dumbbells up laterally and out to the side until they reach shoulder height. Slowly lower the weights back to the starting position. Repeat it for 15 to 20 reps. Single arm rowing. Stand in split stance with your right foot forward and back in the left arm. Hinge over from your hip flexors, keeping your core tight. Engage and squeeze your back muscle, then lower the weight back to the starting position. Complete 2 to 4 sets of these 3 back exercise and then proceed to the next 2 biceps exercise. With your palm facing up, hold the bag handles as shown. Exhale as you curl the weight up. Hammer biceps curl. Hold your bag as shown and do the biceps curl in hammer position. Complete 2 to 4 sets of these 2 biceps exercise and now let's finish with the core exercise. First, alternate heel touch with palm facing in. Crunch your torso sideways and exhale to touch heels on both sides. Flutter kicks. For this last exercise, keep your legs up and straight about 45 degrees and do the flutter motion. Complete 2 to 4 sets of these 2 exercises and you are done for the day. In day 3, we are going to cover legs and shoulder. If you want to stay updated on our future uploads, you may consider subscribing and press the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. क्या हुआ?
आई बटन. हाँ
आई बटन इसी साइड आएगा.
हाँ हाँ राइट. आई बटन.